All right, hey, I'm Stephen Grove. I'm the founder of Siglo Technologies, um, also the founder of Jupiter and Mercury. David Ma is the co-founder, and he's also our business consultant. He's located in Australia, and then my two developers are Raphael and Kyle. They are in Canada. They help develop the gravity framework, the Metis application, and core development on the Jupiter blockchain. Yes, we were aware of the Korean community becoming concerned with the Upbit announcement of warning. The Upbit team didn't understand or care that Mercury was designed to be a fee on Waves and link private Jupiter blockchain and public Waves chain. Instead of continuing to develop Mercury on the Waves, we wanted to have our own public blockchain, so we converted Jupiter to a public blockchain. It's Upbit's prerogative to delist. I do not agree with their reasoning. We are moving on. Yes, Mercury is operating exactly as planned. Mercury is the most used asset on Waves. In the future, Mercury will swap into our mainnet project, Jupiter. We are ironing out the gateway infrastructure, and we're waiting for Jupiter to be listed on some other exchanges to give the community a place to trade Jupiter. We're disappointed with their reasoning. We had multiple lines of communication open with the community via Telegram, via Discord, our Go Jupiter Twitter account, and also our blog and our channel in Metis. That was an open invite to anybody that wanted to join our decentralized chat application. I think they were only following our Mercury Twitter account, which is now up and operational again, and will continue to push out news and information as we have in the past to all forms of communication. Yes, we are already approved for a Korean exchange for Mercury and Jupiter. I cannot, of course, disclose the exchange's name, but it is built by a team of blockchain developers and is tested to be exceptionally good. The exchange is also implementing Mercury as a transactional fee for all Waves-based withdrawals. Basically, anytime a Waves coin or a Waves token is withdrawn from their exchange, Mercury will be used. This is what Mercury was designed to do, be a transactional based asset. I've pushed other exchanges to implement this method to use Mercury as their Waves transaction fee as well. Yes. So Mercury is, currently used as a transaction fee on Waves, and it will swap to our mainnet project Jupiter. The initial ratio was 1 Mercury to 1 Jupiter, but I realized that that was not a fair ratio for the Mercury community, so I have consulted with the team, and we decided to go ahead and add more Jupiter per Mercury. So the current swap ratio that will be used when the gateway is open is 1 Mercury will translate into 2.5 Jupiter. And this is to maintain Mercury's market share in the Jupiter project. I did not want to dilute Mercury holders moving to a new, the mainnet Jupiter blockchain. And this is to focus our efforts on the blockchain and to increase the speed at which we develop our projects. Yeah, so we're full steam ahead and plan on adding more developers, mainly mobile developers, to help build a mobile application for Metis for Android and iOS. And as you know, Metis is a fully encrypted messaging platform and does not need any email or mobile number or any other type of personal information to use. Um, we will begin designing and coding Project InHash, which is a decentralized file storage application. There will be super nodes, sort of like master nodes, that will be on our public blockchain, and they will have collateral requirements in Jupiter to operate those super nodes and get additional fees as a reward for helping the network with Project InHash. We're also finalizing the documentation and the installation procedure for localized Metis on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And then we've also reached out to an Australian university to develop a new framework for Jupyter's smart transactions, which are similar to multi-signature accounts. So lawyers can draw up contracts that multiple people sign, and it is written to the blockchain and is provable that people signed it, and it's enforceable. So this will allow for an entirely new pipeline of capabilities and reach for the Jupyter's blockchain. I just ask that you be patient with us and be on the lookout for the new Korean exchange in the near future.